Open the SolisCloud app on your mobile phone and select the Register on the top right corner. Select the role as Organization. Input your email address and input the verification code you received in your email. Input the username and password. Select Register and then your account is registered successfully. Select Login to enter the plant page. Select the plus sign on the top right corner and you can add the plant. Fill in the information of your plant. You can use the map to locate your plant as detailed address. Select Done to confirm the plant info. Select Create Plant to finish plant creation. Select Check Plant and return the plant page. Then the screen will ask you to add the data logger. Select Add to add it. You can scan the logger SN QR code or manually input the SN to add the data logger. Input your data logger SN and select OK on the top right corner. For further help, please contact Solis official after sales service department.